Hello everyone, today is Friday, July 30th, and just wanted to make a video today. I want to show the 10-second line break chart, but first an announcement. I'm going to offer probably the deepest discount I've ever offered on the OneupTrader. This is for the NinjaTrader 7 version. There will be no charge for the upgrade when it's released, but there will be a discount of 40%, which is $2,000 off, so the total price is $29.95. Use coupon code BWT40. This is good for the entire month of August. Also, the precision indicators will be 50% off, so you'll save $500 basically, and it's just under $500. Use coupon BWT50 at checkout, and the indicators are available in NT7 or NT8. So this is your chance to get the OneupTrader at a really great price. This 10-second line break chart I let trade from the close of the session, and this chart is set on shorts only, as after the market closed yesterday there was some concern about the Delta variant, and of course when the market opened for the regular session, it was soft. You know, there was a sharp drop and it rebounded most of the day, but in spite of that, this traded short only and did really well. I'll just go back to the beginning here, and within a few hours it hit $1,000. It's really important to set goals, because had you set $1,000 goal, you only have a few trades here and you would have hit your goal. But I'm letting this trade you know, all day and all night just to see what it does, and doing that can also give you an idea of the best times to trade. But definitely having a goal is to your advantage. The max equity on this chart ran up to about 3,000, so even one more trade after your $1,000 goal ran it up to 1,700, and then 22, and then 26 here, and then after that it drew down, looks like about 1,200, actually drew down to 1,000 and then back up to 2,400, and then finally an equity high of about 3,000. This is now 11 o'clock in the morning, so you know, once again, setting a goal is really important. It settled in at 1260. I let it trade all through the day, and it did come back up to about 2,400 just before the close. It was just these last couple of trades right at the closing bell that it got whipsawed here and settled in at 1760, which is still respectable and still enough to pay all your commissions for all these trades. But even so, if you had the stop time at a few minutes before the close, you would have settled at 2,400. But still, it just goes to show this chart has been performing excellent over quite a period of time now. This is the 10-second line break that traded both directions, and you can see the more trades. The maximum equity high was about 1,500, and that was first hit early on at like 1 a.m. and then again at 11 a.m. and again here and then again here. So it settled at 770, but still a lot of potential even if you're trading both directions. Okay, the next chart I wanted to show was one that we've shown quite a bit, and that is this Heikin-Ashi. Well, this is actually a regular 500 tick, and it's using the open range filter. This had a great open range filter trade, hit its goal of 1,000 with a couple tick slippage. You can just see a single trade here, and you can get an idea of how effective the open range filter is. Also of note here is, notice the indicator signals on this chart, that they're pretty clear with the prices marked. Okay, just wanted to show the trade management on this chart. It's a limit order with a 16 tick pullback, and trading two contracts with a target of 100 ticks and a $1,000 goal and a $500 loss limit. So no drawdown here to speak of to get us stopped out. This is also using the line break algo of the strategy. So notice the line break signals here. Sometimes the way the trades execute, this pullback probably happened right here. In other words, this was not executed on this bar, but more likely here on this blue bar. Sometimes it's off a little bit depending on the speed of the market and such. In any case, this is a good template. It's been consistent for a pretty long time and demonstrates how well the open range filter works. Okay, so once again, I just want to remind you of our great sale here. Use code BWT40 for the AutoTrader or BWT50 for the indicators. This is good for the month of August. However, I do reserve the right to withdraw the offer at any time.